Okay, you know you're basically there when it starts looking and feeling kind of like Play-Doh, and it also has this very distinctive smell. It's really hard to describe, but it's got this eggy sort of, I don't know, Play-Doh pasta smell. I don't even know how to describe it. I just know every time I make pasta dough, I don't even really time myself anymore. I used to time myself, but now I start just paying attention to the smell, and it's pretty much there. So, you take a bowl and a little bit of oil at the bottom, swirl it around, turn it over. And now you can do one of, I think, 3 options actually works here. You could do a dish towel, a very light dish towel, and just drape it over the top, which I don't happen to have a light enough one right now. You need a really thin one. You can do a damp paper towel, which I don't really feel like doing because occasionally that does stick to your dough. Or you can do what I'm going to do, which is saran wrap, and you just put saran wrap very loosely over the top. And as long as you've oiled your dough, the saran wrap is really not going to stick. And just sort of press it in there. All right, you're going to let your dough rest for at least 20 minutes. I'm probably going to rest a little bit longer than that because I'm going to get together all of my other ingredients for what I'm using this dough for, which is lasagna. So it can rest for, you know, a couple of hours. So as long as you don't put it in the fridge. If you put it in the fridge, you're going to have to take it out of the fridge and let it come back to room temperature and rest for, you know, a good 20 minutes. If you're going to use it within the hour, I would just leave it in a relatively room temperature, warm-ish place. It's probably like 75 in here right now, so that's perfect. Just don't touch it. You really want the proteins to develop, and that's what makes it elastic and smooth and easy to work with, and very tasty.